Hello dears, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Now I am Mahalakshmi, your social teacher. I am going to assign an assignment on grade 9 Geography lesson 1 India, size and location. In this lesson I have planned an activity. Activity number 1. Locate and label the followings in the political map of India. For this activity, you have to point out the following things in a political map of India. First, you are going to find out where is the 8th state where Tropic of Cancer passes. Second, the group of islands where the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Third one, the place situated on the 3 seas. Fourth one, standard meridian. For coming from the first question is the state through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. This is a state map of India. In this map, you can find out a central line between crossing from the Gujarat. These lines are called a Tropic of Cancer line. This line crossing 8 states in India. Coming from the left side of the slides, we can start from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Once again, first one is Gujarat, second one is Rajasthan, third one is Madhya Pradesh, fourth one is Chhattisgarh, fifth one is Jharkhand, sixth one is West Bengal, seventh one is Tripura and last one is Mizoram. Like that, on a political map of India, you can shade the 8 states of India. Next question, the island group of India lying in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. For this question, in this map you can find Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. In Arabian Sea, you can find out the Lakshadweep group of islands, and in the Bay of Bengal, you can find out Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. These two are the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Like that, you have to find out the rest 2 questions. Third question is the place situated on the 3 seas and fourth is standard meridian. To completing this assignment, you need 4 things: a political map of India, pencil, eraser, scale, atlas or textbook. With this help of these 4 things, you can complete the assignment. There are some important points for point out the map. First, whenever you are going to point the map, you need to symbolize some index. Index means whatever you are going to show in the map, first you can indicate with the keywords of index. For example, like the first question, if you are going to show the 8 states of where Tropic of Cancer lines are passing. In these 8 states, you can shade the 8 states in a different color, or you can give a particular symbols for the 8 states. For example, when you are going to show the island group, you can use star or any other specific symbols. After completing all the 4 things, please submit the assignment in your Bodhi International School LMS assignment page. Thank you. Happy